it's really windy. So I'm back to uploading videos again. Nothing really interesting has happened with the weather wise, but it did snow early this month, I think. And I didn't get a chance to record it, unfortunately. So here in upstate South Carolina, we're supposed to get to like 70 to 75 degrees on Christmas. That is late spring weather, if you ask me. So, yeah, it is, I think, 60 degrees out here, and it's really windy. And if I'm not mistaken, if like the temperature's at like 35 degrees Fahrenheit for people that don't use Celsius, if the temperature's like 30 degrees and you've got this wind, I believe that's called a wind chill, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, it's kind of a little bit chilly, and I don't really like it, so yeah. So there you have it.